In this tutorial, we're going to look at the block quote element. So I want you to go ahead and open a blank document in Visual Studio Code. Save it as blockquote.html in your Google Drive shared folder for Chapter 2. And I want you in just a moment to pause this video and see if you can remember without looking or without copying and pasting what the basic structure template looks like. So pause the video. Try to get those basic elements on here and then unpause it and we'll see if you're right. I'll give you a few seconds. Okay, hopefully you have this. Now you didn't know to type block quote practice in the title, so go ahead and take a few moments to change your title text to block quote practice. And then double check your work to make sure that all the elements that I have here on the screen also appear on your document. If at any point you run into a different color, remember your colors may not look exactly like my colors because that depends on your theme. But if you see a color that's strange to you or is not regular, it may be because you have an error. So I'm going to delete this closing angle bracket and look what happened to this text right below it. It's saying, hey, there is something wrong. Usually it is something that is wrong with the line above it. So I can go here above and I can see, oh, I'm missing that angle bracket. So I can add that back. Okay. So after you've double checked that, in the body section, let's add an H1 heading that says the power of the web. Okay. Now I'm going to copy and paste a little bit because I don't want this video to be just me typing a paragraph. We will insert a paragraph element using the P tag, and then we will insert a block quote element using the block quote tag. That's going to look something like this. Okay, so I'm going to highlight the area that I added. My opening P tag is here. I typed this sentence, and then my closing P tag is here. My block quote then opens, and then my block quote closes once I have finished that quotation. Once you have saved that, use Alt-B to view in the browser, and you can see it should look something like this. Okay, so notice that the block quote caused an indentation to happen here, so it formats that quote a little differently than just a normal paragraph text. Okay, come back for some more tutorials.